Today I would like to introduce this digital thermometer named as SmartBBQ2. It is a thermometer which is encrypted with maximum 2 probes, the 2-foot probes. And it is a Bluetooth connected device. That means it can connect it to any Android smartphone with the Bluetooth compatible with Bluetooth 4.0 or above, and with the Android version with 4.2 or above. Before we start, let's check whether the Bluetooth is turned on. Go to the setup page, and here is the Bluetooth. It is turned on. Okay, let's go to the demonstration. Let's turn on the device first. There's a button on the right-hand corner here at the back. Just push this button for a few seconds. And here you go, the device turned on. And you can see there are Bluetooth icon turned on. Okay, there is an app named SmartBBQ2. Can it turn on? And there are multiple devices that can be selected. Just select the most top one here. Connect it. And wait for a few seconds. And you can see the Bluetooth stop blinking. And you can see they are already connected. You can see the temperature here has got the temperature sending from the device here. Let's change the degree C back to the degree F first. And we'll go back to the setting later. Okay. You can see in this temperature probe page, here is the probe selection. There are 2 probes here. We can select both probe 1 and both probe 2 here. You can see the temperature of the probes are different right now. And the probe 2 is 84, while you can see here is 84. And you can choose the different probe temperature pressing the top right hand corner button. Here is the probe selection. Press it once, it will change to probe number 1. Okay, this is probe number 1 is 81. You can see it is 81. Okay. So you can also have a summary page here, just like the home button here. You can press it, and you can have a summary of these 2 probes, temperature 1 and temperature 2. They're different because it is more close to my hand, and the temperature is a little bit higher, and you can still rising because it's close to my arm. All right. So in this page, we can set up various types of food, and just press the picture. You can select different types of meat or food. You can have beef, and you can have pork, etc. Totally, there are 7 meats they can choose. The right-hand side, you can choose different tastes. Like for the beef, you can select well done, medium, and rare, whatever. Of course, you can customize any temperature. In fact, with different tastes, actually there is a temperature associated with this taste. Okay. For this temperature, I just set a customized temperature. Let's choose it 80 for the sake of demonstration. What's the meaning of 90? When the temperature goes up, reaches temperature 19 degrees F, there is some notification comes out both the device and the smartphone. So this is probe number 1. This is probe number 1. It's right now 82 degrees F. Let's give some heat to this probe, and then goes up. You can see the temperature goes up to 88. All right, you can see there is notification. in this smartphone, and there's a pop-up window indicate the food is ready. Okay, as well, this device also have notification with the beep sound, as well as the temperature is blinking. That means the food is done according to the selection of your taste. So wait for a second and let them cool down, and we'll stop beeping. So you can select different types of food here. Again, chicken, turkey, with each of the meat type and with different types of the taste. There is a default value for the customized well done, medium, rare, etc. Okay. Here's a simple demonstration for the major function of the temperature probe. Let's move on. There is a timer page here. This is thermometer when we have just demonstrated. And then here is a timer tag. Let's go to the timer tag. In fact, to cope with these two pops thermometer, there are two channel timer. That means you have two timers you can choose on each pop, for example. And for each channel, you can select both the counter timer and the kind of timer. This is a timer that's countdown. For example, you choose the, for example, 5 minutes, and you can start the timer. That means after 5 minutes, it will reach the 0, and there is a notification for you, which this timer can assist you for the cooking in the kitchen or even in the BBQ. Again, there's two channels. You can choose the different channel. You can go through the home button. There are two channels. Right now, we have already started the first channel with the counting down timer. Let's try the second one. This time, I choose the stopwatch mode. That means it will start from 0, it will counting up. Let's turn it on. Okay. So you can see there are two timers in the summary page. The first one is the counting down timer, and the second one is counting up. So while you're cooking with this BBQ, I mean the food pop usage, you can check how long you have done the cooking. And of course, there's channel 1. You are doing the counting down timer, which can provide you a notification after a certain period of time. It will give you notification through the apps. So this is the timer page. Okay, let's go to the last one, is the setting. So this is the page of the setting. You can see that you can indicate the battery status of this device. Right now, the battery is in very good condition, and you can select the different unit of the temperature, and you can choose different types of notification. Of course, you can choose right bay or not. That means the smartphone, when notification comes, it will vibrate, as well as with the ringtone. Here is the ringtone and song. You can select different types of ringtone, and you can choose the songs from your smartphone. This is the user manual. You can look into the user manual for the detailed operation of these apps and the device. Okay, and here is some of the information about the software and the device firmware version. That is for your reference. So this is the major operation of this device. Thank you for your watching.